How to make Opera GX better. So let's get started.
Alright, so this topic is very subjective depending on your concept on what makes Opera GX better. So I'm just gonna give you options on what you could do. So first is that I recommend that you enable the sidebar here because the tools in here or features are very useful if you use Opera GX. So you have your workspaces right here. So basically like tab islands wherein you could group different tabs so that you'd have a different group of tabs for different purposes. And then you have this one, a GX control, where you could limit the resources that Opera GX is using. And then GX cleaner to clean your trash files, some shaders, and then mods right here for the FX and Opera GX, and then your quick access to the AIs, and then your messaging platform, Twitch, WhatsApp, Telegram, and many more. And you have your player right here, My Flow, wherein you can communicate with your other devices that is using Opera GX. And then you have history, extensions, and then settings in here. And then if you want to customize the sidebar, right click on your sidebar, click on sidebar setup, and then you should see all the options that you can add right here. If you don't have the sidebar, just click here on the easy setup icon on the top right, and from here you can click here on show sidebar. Now, other than sidebar, which I highly recommend, what you could do also is that you could go for themes. Like you could decorate how you would like to design your Opera GX. For example, I have downloaded mods in here. And basically, you can just click here on mods, but you can also set it up right here in easy setup icon right here in the top right, where you can see the browser sounds, right here background music. So this is where you could customize the controls for the features and appearance, which could really make you use Opera GX to the fullest. Like you could go for the presets, you can change the color of your browser and then your wallpaper in here and so on. But as for this one, I'm just gonna go and just manage my mods and use my mods right here. So I'm just gonna use the mod for the wallpaper right here and then the theme. And then, yeah, just the wallpaper and theme. And as you can see, it is now using the wallpaper and theme. So that's it on how you can make Opera GX better. Thank you for watching.